Should be getting the drone. It should be here. The package says it's here. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. All right, so it's here. The drone is here. 1 second. All right. So I ordered this off of Amazon yesterday. This is the Mavic Air. Typically, or not the Mavic Air. This is the Mavic Mini. Typically, I use the Mavic Air 2. So I started with DJI. I started out with the Mavic Air, then I had the Mavic Air 2, and now I have the Mavic Mini. I just sent the other drone away today to get fixed, so let's see what this one looks like. I always get the Fly More combo because it comes with more batteries. Along with a couple other gadgets. I've never had this one, so I'm not sure what's in here. So this is how small the batteries are. So they're not even like the size of my hand, obviously. This drone is supposedly super tiny. And wow, it's about the size of my hand. So Mavic Mini feels like crazy tiny. I can't believe this is crazy. So it's got a bunch of stickers on it. I'll take off. A few instructions on here. But I feel like this is my third drone, so. So Mavic made this drone so that it would be just under the weight needed to so you don't have to register with the FAA. I don't know why I said that like 6 times. So, you got the drone. This is the charger for the batteries. The charger is bigger than the drone. And then you got the battery itself. And then you also have controller. So this controller is similar to the Mavic Air, the first one, because you put your phone in here, you snap it in, and then these are the antennas. The Mavic Air 2 goes about 45. This one goes about 26, I think it says. Something like that. So you take this out, you screw on the little knobs here for control. Looks like they got some stuff to it, maybe a sticker. They give you some extra blades with the Fly More. Here is the actual cord that goes into the battery case. See if we can't figure this out. I'll probably have to charge it. The maiden voyage, we are going to take off. I got it all hooked up, and we'll see how it goes here. That girl goes.